Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm Janisha from Sciences of PU College, Vijaypur. I'm dealing with the economic subject today. I'm going to deal with another one concept of microeconomics, that is positive and normative economics. We often come across statements about economic issues on televisions or read articles in newspapers or magazines. Consider the debate over price controls on natural gas. Some argue that these controls discourage the production and encourage wasteful use of this valuable resource. However, others support price controls because they believe higher prices would cause hardship for consumers in the lower income groups. These issues can be seen from the perspective of positive and normative economics. In debating the role of government in the economy, economists distinguish between the positive economics and normative economics. In positive economics, we study different issues and problems arising out of scarcity of resources, and also in normative economics tries to find solutions to the economic problems. Then dear students, now let me discuss about regarding the positive economics in detail. In positive economic analysis, we study how the different mechanisms function, and also it deals with the scientific explanation of the working of the economy. It is concerned with how the economy performs the basic functions of what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. In other words, it explains how the economy takes decisions about consumption, production, and exchange of goods. The study of what was and what is under the given set of circumstances is called positive economics. So the positive economics is nothing but the study of what was and what is under given the certain circumstances. It analyzes every issue of economics from a positive perspective without a personal judgment, and it explains the cause and effect relationship of economic variables. Let us consider the two situations regarding the positive economics. For example, if the tax on tobacco is doubled, there will be substantial reduction in tobacco consumption. Yes, that means what? The tax on tobacco, if it is increased, then there is a reduction in tobacco consumption. Another one statement, if government subsidy to basic education is reduced, there will be higher dropouts among children of poor families. That means what? If the government subsidy or provision, it should be reduced, then it will causes for higher dropouts among the children of poor families. Both these statements are capable of empirical verification, and based on their empirical verification we can bring out the degree of truth in such statements, and these statements do not pass any value judgment. So this is what positive economics. Next one, normative economics. In normative economics, we try to understand whether these mechanisms are desirable or not. That means normative economics studies what ought to be, and it is concerned with how the basic economic functions should be performed. and it describes what should be done and what should not be done, what is good or bad for human beings, like that. Normative economic statements are sometimes called matters of opinion or statements of value. You know that already in positive economics there is absence of value judgment, but in normative economics we can observe the value judgment. And they cannot be tested or proven. For example, government should provide basic health care to all citizens is a normative economic statement, and there is no way to prove whether government should provide health care or not. The role of the government in an individual's life is the base for this statement. The normative economic statements pronounce value judgment. Economists who advise governments are involved in normative economics. In India, economic advisors who are appointed by the government are responsible for advising the Prime Minister about the economic policies as to which policies are good and which are bad. Thus, we may conclude that positive economics is descriptive, means what is, while normative economics is prescriptive, means what ought to be. And the study of economics involves both scientific investigation and policy analysis. So this is what the positive and normative economics. Okay students, in the next episode we'll continue further regarding the subject matter of economics. Thank you.